Habang tumatanda ako, nare-realize ko, kailangan natin i-enjoy ang buhay. Pero para ma-enjoy natin ang buhay, kailangan healthy tayo. That's why as a mom and as a wife, I make sure meron akong tinitake na supplement na makakatulong sa akin bilang nanay na madaming ginagawa. I'm taking this Flexi Pro. Gusto ko siya dahil meron siyang 3 main ingredients na makakatulong sa mga adult na hindi na bumabata. First is yung natural eggshell membrane powder. It increases bone density and helps in maintaining healthy cartilage. This is good for sporty people and those who are active in physical works. Yung second naman is yung turmeric root extract. It helps in reducing inflammation, improving brain and heart health, preventing cancer, improving digestive health, and promoting skin health. Lastly, yung third main ingredient is yung Boswellia resins extract. It is helpful in arthritis, colitis, and asthma. Aside from the main ingredients, there are other benefits that will make you healthier. Mas masayang mag-alaga ng pamilya. Kung tayo mismo bilang mga nanay ay may healthy body system.